The 10 strangest things in the universe. Look up at the night sky and it seems peaceful, silent, predictable, beautiful. But the deeper astronomers look into the universe, the stranger it becomes. There are stars so dense that a teaspoon would weigh billions of tons. There are regions of space so empty they contain almost nothing at all. And there are objects so powerful they can bend space, slow time, and swallow light itself. Tonight, we're exploring the 10 strangest things in the universe. And by the end of this journey, you may realize something surprising. Reality is far stranger than science fiction. 10 black holes. Few objects in the universe capture the imagination like black holes. A black hole forms when a massive star collapses under its own gravity. The collapse becomes so extreme that all the mass compresses into an incredibly tiny region. Gravity becomes so strong that nothing can escape, not even light. The boundary surrounding this object is called the event horizon. Once something crosses that boundary, it can never return. At the center of our galaxy lies a supermassive black hole known as Sagittarius A*. It has a mass of about 4 million suns. Black holes also warp time itself. Near the event horizon, time slows dramatically. In theory, if you watched someone fall into a black hole, they would appear to freeze in time. Black holes were once considered theoretical curiosities. Today, astronomers know they are everywhere. 9. Neutron stars. When some stars die, they don't form black holes. Instead, they collapse into neutron stars. A neutron star is the crushed core of a massive star. The collapse is so intense that protons and electrons merge together into neutrons. The result is an object only about 20 kilometers across, but containing more mass than the sun. That means a single teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh billions of tons. Some neutron stars spin incredibly fast. These spinning neutron stars emit beams of radiation like cosmic lighthouses. Astronomers call them pulsars. They can rotate hundreds of times every second. 8. Magnetars. Now imagine taking a neutron star and giving it the strongest magnetic field in the universe. That's a magnetar. Magnetars are so magnetic that they can distort atoms themselves. If a magnetar passed halfway between Earth and the Moon, its magnetic field could wipe every credit card on Earth. A magnetar's magnetic field is trillions of times stronger than Earth's. Occasionally, their crust cracks under the intense pressure. These starquakes release bursts of energy so powerful they can briefly affect Earth's atmosphere from across the galaxy. 7. Rogue planets. Most planets orbit stars, but not all of them. Some planets drift alone through the darkness of interstellar space. These are known as rogue planets. They may have been ejected from their solar systems during chaotic gravitational interactions. Others may have formed alone in cold molecular clouds, without a star to warm them. Rogue planets wander through the galaxy in total darkness. Astronomers believe there may be billions of rogue planets in the Milky Way alone. Some scientists even speculate that underground oceans might exist on certain rogue planets, warmed by internal heat. If true, life could exist on worlds drifting forever between the stars. 6. Cosmic voids. When we imagine the universe, we often picture galaxies scattered everywhere. But on the largest scales, the universe looks more like a cosmic web. Galaxies clustered together in filaments and walls. Between those structures are enormous regions called cosmic voids. These voids contain almost nothing. Some stretch hundreds of millions of light years across. One of the largest is the Boat's void. It's sometimes called the Great Nothing. Inside it are very few galaxies. Imagine traveling across a region of space where, for hundreds of millions of light years, almost nothing exists. 5. Dark matter. When astronomers measure how galaxies rotate, something strange happens. The stars move far too fast. According to the gravity of visible matter, galaxies should fly apart. But they don't. Something invisible is holding them together. Scientists call it dark matter. Dark matter does not emit light. It does not absorb light. We cannot see it directly, but its gravity shapes the entire universe. In fact, dark matter may make up about 85% of all matter in existence. The strange truth is that everything we see, stars, planets, galaxies, may be only a small fraction of what's actually out there. 4. Dark energy. In the 1990s, astronomers made a shocking discovery. The universe isn't just expanding, it's expanding faster and faster. Something is pushing galaxies apart. That mysterious force is called dark energy. We don't know what dark energy is, but it appears to make up nearly 70% of the entire universe. That means most of reality is made of something we barely understand. 3. Quasars. Some galaxies contain incredibly bright centers known as quasars. A quasar forms when a supermassive black hole devours enormous amounts of gas and dust. As the material spirals inward, it heats to extreme temperatures. The result is a beacon so bright it can outshine an entire galaxy. Some quasars shine with the energy of trillions of suns, and we can see them from billions of light years away. One famous example is 3C 273. Even from unimaginable distances, it remains visible through powerful telescopes. 2. Fast radio bursts. In 2007, astronomers discovered something completely unexpected. Brief flashes of radio waves coming from distant galaxies. They last only milliseconds. But in that tiny fraction of time, they release enormous amounts of energy. These mysterious signals are known as fast radio bursts. Some repeat, others appear only once. Their exact origin is still debated, though many scientists suspect magnetars may be responsible. Every time astronomers detect one, it's like hearing a brief whisper from across the universe. 1. The Great Attractor. Our galaxy isn't standing still. The Milky Way and thousands of other galaxies are slowly moving toward something. A mysterious region known as Great Attractor. It lies about 250 million light years away, but we can see it clearly because it is hidden behind the dense stars and dust of our own galaxy. Whatever it is, it has enough gravity to pull entire galaxy clusters toward it. Even today, astronomers are still trying to understand exactly what lies there. Closing reflection 1930 to 2030. The universe often looks calm when we stare up at the night sky, but the deeper we explore, the stranger it becomes. Invisible matter shapes galaxies. Stars collapse into objects denser than imagination. Entire planets wander alone through the darkness, and most of the universe's dark matter and dark energy remains a mystery, which means something remarkable. Even after centuries of discovery, we may still understand only a tiny fraction of reality, and the strangest things in the universe may still be waiting to be discovered. Thanks for watching The Human Rhythm. Please subscribe to see more.